Good to see you all here. Our today's best list shows the currently best action cams with current tests on the market. We have evaluated test reports from 33 test magazines. If you already like the video, please give a thumbs up and a subscription. But here we go. Third place, Insta360 One R 1-inch edition, approx. $500. Video Active rated it with 1.5, Motorcycle rated it with 1.7, customers rated it with 1.5. A lot of power in a compact case. Strengths: waterproof housing, good image stabilization, high video quality, functional app. Weaknesses: expensive, short battery life. Customers are impressed with Insta360's One R 1-inch edition and the many options provided by the accompanying app. With its 1-inch sensor, it promises particularly low noise recordings for an action cam, even in low light. It can be operated via voice commands, among other things, although some users report problems with this. There is also criticism of the battery life, which is said to be around 1 hour, and the size of the display. However, these weaknesses fade into the background for reviewers who rave about the video quality and stabilization. Not shaky recordings are thus possible even with fast movements. The technology is housed in a waterproof casing. However, the manufacturer recommends using the optionally available dog case when diving and surfing. Second place, DJI Action 2, approx. $500. Digital Photo rated it with 1.5, Computer Build rated it with 1.8. Customers rated it with 1.5. Small but powerful. Strengths: compact and lightweight. High frame rate of 120 FPS. Quick connection with extensions due to magnetic design. Good image quality. Weaknesses: none known yet. The DJI Action 2 is advertised by the manufacturer as a magnetic action cam. This not only means that the housing is magnetically attractive, but that all extensions can be effortlessly connected to the base camera via magnetic quick-release fasteners. DJI model is equipped with a battery whose energy should be enough for about 70 minutes of runtime. Videos are recorded in 4K, and not just at a frame rate of 30 or 60 FPS, as is usually the case, but a whopping 120 FPS frames per second. This makes both fast videos and those in slow motion more fun. Despite the action cam's small dimensions, recordings and settings can be viewed on a display that has a pixel density of 350 ppi pixels per inch and is thus supposed to have a high level of sharpness. By the way, we have linked this action cam and all the others in the video description below. First place, GoPro Hero 10 Black, approx. $529. Video Active rated it with 1.4, Chip rated it with 1.3, customers rated it with 1.4. Hooray, hooray, the new GoPro is here. Strengths: extremely high frame rates. For individual purposes, accessories from the predecessor can still be used. Weaknesses: not exactly inexpensive. High frame rates for great slow motion. In contrast to the last GoPro successors Hero 9 Black or Hero 8 Black, which mainly received better displays and housings, the new Hero 10 Black now comes with an action cam with extremely high frame rates. With 4K recordings, 120 frames per second are possible, with full HD recordings even up to 240. In addition, the new model also offers a 5.3K resolution, 5312 x 2988, with up to 60 frames per second. This makes it possible to achieve particularly great slow motion effects. All-round talent with WLAN and Bluetooth. GoPro keeps up with the times and promotes its new Hero 10 Black not only as an action cam, but also as a webcam and camera for live streaming. It is equipped with Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. If you already own the Hero 9 Black, there's good news. Since the dimensions haven't changed, you can use all the accessories for the previous model on the new 10 version as well. Availability. The Hero 10 Black is available now at a price of around $530 USD. If you opt for a paid GoPro Cloud subscription, cost per year, $50 USD. You can even get the new GoPro for around $430. And that's it for our comparison of the best action cams. Since each has its own strengths and weaknesses, everyone should decide for themselves which fits best to them. I hope that I could help you a little with your purchase decision. If so, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. And maybe you'll tell us in the comments which product you like best and which one you might have already decided on. Thanks for watching and see you soon.